Hey there, little learners. Welcome back to our fun and easy maths series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of subtraction, and we're going to do it with the help of our favorite floating friends balloons. So, let's say we have 5 balloons and we want to take away 3. How many balloons will we have left? Let's count down together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's right, we have 2 balloons left. Now, let's try another one. We have 7 balloons and we want to take away 2. Again, let's count down together. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And we have 5 balloons left. That's it for today, kids. Remember, subtraction is all about taking away, and balloons are a fun way to practice. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you next time for more easy maths adventures. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting maths lessons. Until next time, keep learning and have fun.